Basic steps for setting up the internet at home or in a small business. Choose an internet service provider, ISP. Research and select an ISP that offers a plan suited to your needs. Consider factors like speed, reliability, and cost. Obtain necessary equipment. Purchase or lease a modem from your ISP. Get a compatible router or a modem-router combo for creating a wireless network. Connect the modem. Plug the modem into a power outlet. Connect the modem to the wall jack or fiber cable outlet using the cable provided by your ISP. Set up the router. Connect the router to the modem using an Ethernet cable, usually into the WAN port on the router. Power on the router. Activate the internet connection. Follow the ISP's instructions to activate the service, often through a web portal or by calling their support line. Update the router's firmware if prompted during setup. Configure the network. Access the router's settings by typing its IP address into a browser, for example, 192.168.1.1. Set a unique network name, SSID, and a strong Wi-Fi password. Use WPA3 or WPA2 encryption for security. Test the connection. Connect a device to the network and test the internet speed using an online tool. Troubleshoot any issues using the router or ISP support. Optimize the network. Place the router in a central, elevated location for better signal distribution. Avoid interference from other electronic devices like microwaves or cordless phones. Use a range extender if needed for larger spaces. Secure the network. Change the default admin username and password of the router. Enable a firewall and keep the router's firmware updated. Consider setting up a guest network for visitors. Connect devices. Connect all required devices, such as computers, smartphones, smart TVs, or printers, using Wi-Fi or Ethernet cables. Verify that each device has internet access. Follow us for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe